Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Gol, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the change in financial year of a company incorporated in India. As per section 2, subclause 41, the power of change in financial year was granted to the tribunal. However, as per Companies Ordinance 2018 and Companies Amendment Act 2019, the power of the tribunal for change in financial year is transferred to the central government. Central government means Ministry of Corporate Affairs. However, Ministry of Corporate Affairs has passed an amendment in the rules on 18th December 2018 as a Companies Incorporation 4th Amendment rules. As per these amendment rules, the power of the central government for change in financial year has been transferred from central government to the regional director. So as on date, after 18 December 2018, all the change in financial years can be done only through the regional director. Only the regional director having power to change in the financial year of the company. Whenever we talk about change in financial year of company, we have to check some rules and section. Section 241, 2 clause 41 and rule 40 of the Companies Incorporation 4th Amendment Rule 2018. This section and rule we have to follow if you want to change in the financial year of the company. As per section 2 subsection 41, financial year for an Indian company means starting from 1st April ending on the 31st March. If a company incorporated, if a new company incorporated on or after 1st January, then financial year of that company shall be complete on the next March. Otherwise, the financial year of all Indian companies under Companies Act 2013 shall be 1st April to 31st March. However, there may be a situation when Indian companies having any holding, subsidiary or associate company incorporated outside India. In that case, due to consolidation of accounts, due to provision of consolidation of account as per section 137, company may require to change in financial year. In that case only, company can change its financial year. So if an Indian company want to change financial year, they can change only in 3 situations: when its holding, subsidiary or associate company is incorporated outside India. Otherwise, an Indian company cannot change in financial year. So if holding, subsidiary or associate is incorporated outside India, in that case financial year can be changed by following the process. First step in the process is calling of the board meeting. Board of directors of the company shall call a board meeting. In that board meeting, they will discuss about the need of change in financial year, and they will call the extraordinary general meeting of the members of the company. In that extraordinary general meeting, they will pass a special resolution to change the financial year of the company as per their holding, subsidiary or associate company, and they will authorize any director or the company secretary of the company to file application for such purpose with the regional director of companies. So after this general meeting, they have to file E-form MGT 14 within 30 days of passing of special resolution with registrar of companies, and simultaneously they have to file an application for change in financial year with the regional director in form RD1. In form RD1 within 60 days of holding of general meeting. So company who want to change its financial year shall file form RD1 within 60 days of holding of general meeting with the regional director, and company also required to submit the physical application with the regional director also, and company have to attach following documents with the application: copy of article of association and memorandum of association of the company, copy of minutes of the general meeting, copy of attendance sheets of the general meeting, minutes of the board meeting, certified true copy of the general meeting and board meeting, power of attorney or memorandum of appearance in favor of any professional, detail of any previous application made within last 5 financial year. So these type of document they have to attach with the application. In the application, company have to mention the ground on which they want to change their financial year. So company have to prepare all these document and have to file E-form RD1 within 60 days of passing of special resolution. And after filing RD1, company have to submit the physical application with the regional director. After submission of RD1 and the physical application, regional director will check the document, check the grounds. If they satisfied with the documents and the ground, they will pass an order for change in financial year of the company. Once the order is passed by the regional director, companies have to file e-form INC 28 with the registrar of company with the copy of order. Our complete write-up as editorial number 408 is also published on our blog. That write-up is telling you the step-by-step process of change in financial year. If you want to read the write-up, you can visit our blog also. Thank you so much.